Hello and welcome to Graphastic. This is me, Fazilat Ali Ahmed, and in today's tutorial, we will learn to create animated gradient using Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get started. Create a new project with black as background color. Grab the text tool and click here. Change the color to white. Type the text and resize it. Place it horizontally and vertically center. Create a new solid layer and I'm choosing cyan here. Add a new layer. Grab the brush tool. From here, keep its hardness to 0 and increase the size of brush. Select the color and brush it over here to create a nice gradient. Add a hue and saturation layer over the top of gradient. Increase the saturation a bit. I think it's perfect here. Select both of these layers by keeping the shift button pressed and convert it to smart object. Right click and create a clipping mask. Now go to the windows and select timeline. Click on create new timeline. Here you can see all of your document layers. Expand this hue and saturation one layer. Click on the small stopwatch-like symbol near transform. Click on this little diamond. Click enter to make it a point. Move the slider to the next time and Ctrl T. Move the gradient and enter. It marks another diamond point. Repeat the steps. Move the slider, Ctrl T, move the gradient and enter. Keep doing it until you are satisfied with the result. Right click and go to end of work area. Click and drag the end of clips to the end of work area. Now click on settings and check the loop playback. That's all for today. Hope you like it and learn from it too. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, feel free to contact either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also comment here. I will catch you in the next video. Happy learning!